Now don't yell in it. Okay, everything else you can do. All right, so you're going to make sound effects for whatever happens in the scene. You guys like sound effects? Can you make a sound effect? Make a sound effect. Test it out. Is it on?
Yeah. Hold on.
Hold on. We got technical difficulties.
Okay, try it.
Okay, try it again. Oh, there we go! Yeah. Okay, you make a sound effect. Yeah, okay. Anything. Perfect. Okay. So it'll pick it up if you'll have it. Yeah. You just have to be kind of close, but you don't have to be right on top of it. You'll be okay. So what you're going to do is you got to keep your eyes though on what's happening with all the people on stage, and you're going to make sound effects based on what you see them do. So you know what I mean? Okay. I'm taking a big risk here, and you guys are too. It'll be fun. Okay. Now what we're going to need in this scene is a suggestion for a location.
Gynecology office.
Oh, what? Too boring, and we've already done it. Anything else? We've already done it.
Popping popcorn.
Okay, popping popcorn on the beach.
Yeah.
And somebody just came from the gynecological office. So somebody came from the office, but they're on the beach popping popcorn. I'll do all three at the same time. We'll show you all, right? So you got that? Popping popcorn on the beach, something like that, okay? But you can do whatever you want anyway, random, okay? That's just a starting point. All right, you guys ready? One more sound effect to test it out. Okay, now how about this? How about if I do this? If I, at the same time I stomp my foot, ready? Make a sound for this. Oh! Watch your hand and see if you can work at it. What are your guys' names?
I'm Sabrina.
Sabrina?
I'm Charlie.
Sabrina and Charlie! Okay, you ready? Okay.
Oh, it's such beautiful weather in the Northwest. I love it. Oh,
It's so beautiful.
this looks like a great spot to go and set up our beach blankets. I love the sound of the waves. Oh, the seagulls. Oh, that was a dive bomb.
Boop, boop, boop.
Wow. Okay. Blankets. Oh.
Did you bring the sandwiches?
Oh, I did. Here.
Good.
Let me unzip this. Here you go. Here's the sandwiches.
That sandwich. Yeah, it's yummy.
Oh, hey!
Better run.
The seagull stole my food! That!
Will you do something about that, please?
Hey, wait!
Have you seen my pet seagull? It was around here somewhere. It was like
I
flapping.
didn't see it at all. I didn't see any of it. Do you know where my husband went?
I don't know, but I'm really worried. Oh, there it is.
Hun.
Hey!
Yeah, what's mine?
I want some food.
I forgot the popcorn.
Oh, no. Why don't you find it?
I will go find it. I think I left it in the car.
Okay.
Here.
Why are we having popcorn? Popcorn.
We gotta make it. Come on.
Is there a movie? Sometimes they show American Orange movies. I like that.
Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Look. Oh, wait. It hasn't dinged yet. It needs to ding.
Y'all popping corn here?
We're popping corn. It's just gonna take a few more minutes.
Bailey.
There's a burning ban on corn.
A burning ban on corn?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to call the police.
No, don't call the police.
Please don't.
Yeah, we can't have a fire.
Oh, you're one of those people.
Hey,
Okay.
you guys hope you just enjoy your time out
Baby.
here. Don't mind me. I'm just going to be using my jackhammer here.
Oh, God.
Ah,
Make
okay.
him stop.
Can you please stop that? I can't hear anything.
Huh?
I can't hear anything.
Do you have a problem, sir?
Oh, okay. Hold on. I'll go get my permit. I'll show you.
I brought my fire hose. We're gonna put this out.
Oh, no. No.
I want to drink some water.
All
Can't
right.
have a fire on the beach.
It wasn't a fire. It was just popcorn.
Well,
No! Seagull! Well, that's another day ruined.